Check it out, boys. Listen, pal. Some corrugated polycarbonate. Don't get me wrong, pal. This ain't one of my preferred materials, buddy. I know a lot of you pros ain't going to be out there installing too many polycarbonate roofs unless you got a lot of insurance contracts like me, where basically this is what you had, this is what you can get. Customers always have an option for an upgrade. We've had the shingles replaced. Our crews already came out, knocked those shingles out Tyson style, buddy. In order to fulfill this contract, we got to replace the polycarbonate on the sunroom, buddy, that was damaged from the storm. Let's get into it.